Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. This is Laurent with HedgeTech, and in this video I'm going to introduce how easy it is to use our app to perform market making and run trading strategies on our stable, secure, and scalable infrastructure. So the first thing you want to do is go to our website and register an account with us using the sign up button here. This will give you access to a user page on which you can download our app and manage subscriptions. I have the app opened here. I also have the app documentation, and I have a market on which we are going to run market making. Just want to mention that we're not affiliated with this project, which is symbol Tune. Before we start, I want to draw your attention to key market metrics. You will see that the difference in price between the buy and the sell side, also known as the spread in price, is around 15 to 20%. You can also see that the order density is kind of low, meaning that the orders are spread out. So in other words, it's not a very efficient market environment for traders because they cannot enter or exit the market at a fair price. So we are going to run market making to narrow the spread and provide additional liquidity to make the market more efficient. So I'm on the accounts page on the app. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a test account. Let's call it test, and the exchange is going to be Bitham in this case. I have a notepad on my other screen where I recorded the API keys that are required to connect the account. And here's my account. I can check balances if I want to. Next, let's go to my scripts. So let's add a script, and for this I'm going to go to the corresponding section in the app documentation. So let's go under market making, and here are the parameters that I will need to input. So let's call it market making test, and the script class in this case is maker. The account is the one I just created, and then I'm going to input all the parameters. So for base, I'm going to put tune, quote is USDT, levels is how many orders you want to maintain at all times on each side of the market. So I'm going to put 20. For order density, I'm going to put 0.3%. This will define the difference in price between each orders on a given side. Average volume, I'm just going to put something small, 1. It's the average volume in quote currency that I want to place on each level. Randomness is a parameter that allows to make the market look more natural. It is on a scale of 0 to 1, 0 being no randomness and 1 being maximum randomness. And it will be a probability distribution around the average volume parameter that I just set up. Let's put some randomness, so 0.3. For spread, I'm going to put 1%. And I'm going to hit confirm. Okay, so here is my script. I see that it's currently offline. I see the script class is maker. It uses the account that I just created. And I see all the parameters that I inputted here. So let's turn the script online and see what happens on the market. So my orders are denoted by the little arrows here. And I see that the orders start to flow into the market. There's a spread that is maintained around 1% approximately. The order density, as we said, is 0.3%, and these market metrics will be maintained at all times. Just want to mention that we have no latency on our side. We're just limited by the API request limits of each exchange. You can see here the monitor metrics. These are the market metrics that are actually pulled from the exchange order book. And if you want, you can check the server logs, and you can see that the program has been correctly running, and you might see errors and take action at that point. I want to mention two things about the way we do market making. It's algorithmic market making, meaning that it's dynamic. The orders are always maintained around the market price, and when the price moves, the orders will follow. Second, market making is a market neutral strategy, meaning that it lets the price behave according to supply and demand. So in other words, if someone buys, for example, they're going to fill one of our sell orders, like it just happened now, for example, and this order is going to be immediately replaced by make or buy order on the other side, as you can see here. And that's about it for setup. So the algorithms are going to maintain these metrics 24/7, and you have very little monitoring to do. If you want, you can even have monitor at one glance on this page, and this will show any scripts that may require attention. If you need more information about our strategy catalog, feel free to visit our website or to read our documentation. If you have specific questions, feel free to reach out to us via the contact form on our website. For more demos about other strategies that we have, please go to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.